If your Facebook ID hacked or lost, you doesn't know what to do. Hacker change phone, email, name, etc. I show you guys how to log in your Facebook account. Open Facebook in another or fake account. Select this friends icon and search for your profile. Select your profile inside the three dot icon and next to ID, just note down this number. After writing this number, just go back, check this three line, just so select the logout option and select logout. Select use another profile. In mobile number or email, you just need to type that number we write down before. After typing the number, just type your password. If you doesn't know the password, then you can go with the forget password option and then select the login option. As you can see, I successfully logged in to my account. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.